Today we are going to show you how to draw a beautiful night landscape scenery in Paint 3D. This tutorial will guide you in creating a peaceful night scene with bright moon, stars and calm atmosphere. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. First, I am choosing a dark color to represent the night sky and create the background. Now, set the color to white, create the moonlight and select pixel pen. Let's add some stars to bring the sky to life. Start adding small dots in the sky to represent the stars. You can change the shape of the stars by adjusting the size of the brush, making some bigger and some smaller for more natural look. Then go to the 2D shapes and select the circle tool. Draw a circle in the upper corner of the canvas. Choose white color to give the moon a bright look. Draw a broken star for the more natural look. Now, keep the color dark. Add tree and leaves to add depth to your landscape. For the landscape, let's create distant mountain. Click on select, copy it, right click, paste it here, rotate it, take it down like this. To add more calmness to your scene, fill it with the grey color to make it look like a river or lake and represent water. And that's it. You have just created a beautiful in Paint 3D. This peaceful scene is perfect for relaxing or adding to your digital art collection. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Thank you.